Welcome to the first tutorial of MS Excel. We assure you that by the end of this training session, you will specialize in data management skills. So let's start. Microsoft Excel is a powerful program that is used for data management and data analytics. It is used by all businesses that track, calculate, or analyze any type of data, such as business income, expenditure, sales, purchases, products, budget, financial results, etc. Excel's interface is very easy to use. Using the powerful features and formulas in Excel, you can easily perform complex calculations. It also has programming capabilities of Visual Basic applications, using which you can easily automate your work. This training program has been prepared to teach you Microsoft Excel from beginner level to advanced level. Let's first understand the interface of Microsoft Excel. Worksheets are most important in Excel. It appears at the bottom of the Excel window. You can add more than 250 worksheets to an Excel file. When you open an Excel file, by default, you have 3 worksheets: Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3. You can add a new worksheet by clicking on Insert Worksheet option, right here. Cells are available in each worksheet to start working on data. Cells are made with a combination of rows and columns. A total of 16,384 columns are available in the worksheet, from column A to column XFD. There are 1 to 10 lock 48,576 rows available in an Excel sheet. Each cell has a name. You can see this name in the right here in the name box. For example, currently your cursor is in D10 cell. That is column D and row number 10. On the right of the name box, you can see the formula bar. You use the formula bar to write or edit formulas in a cell. The area above the formula bar is called a ribbon. You can see 7 ribbons on your screen. In the Home ribbon, you will learn about commands or options related to drafting a worksheet, such as cut, copy, paste, font, size, bold, italic, align, formatting, etc. Similarly, in Insert ribbon, you will learn how to add elements like pivot tables, pictures, clip art, shapes, charts in a worksheet. In the Page Layout ribbon, you will learn to change the layout of your worksheet by using the options such as content, color, margin, orientation, background, etc. With Formulas ribbon, you can apply financial, logical, text, date, time, lookup, and mathematical formulas on data. In the Data ribbon, you will learn to create external data connections, internal data analysis, grouping, filtering, sorting, etc. In the Review ribbon, you will learn options to protect your workbook, share your workbook, add comments, check spelling and translate, etc. In the View ribbon, you learn to change the layout of worksheet, such as normal layout, page break. Other options like zoom, ruler, freeze panels, etc. Along with these options, you learn a lot of things, like creating data in Microsoft Excel, applying formulas to data, analyzing data, automating via Visual Basic applications, and creating data presentations. We promise that by the end of this course, you will be a super expert in Microsoft Excel and will be able to work on any type of data or complex calculations. So let's start the journey of learning Microsoft Excel. I'll see you in the next tutorials where you'll learn about data. Thank you for your time.